JFD, just fair and direct.
Okay, hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to JFD Traders Espresso with me, Darius Anucauskas. Today's the 9th of December 2021. So yep, welcome everyone. Welcome to this Thursday's morning session where we're going to have a very quick look at the markets, a few of the charts, the usual stuff. But before we do that, as always, let's quickly have a read through our risk disclaimer. So, the content we produce does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation, should not be considered as such, and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. As always, I'll give you a few seconds to read the rest and we can continue. Okay, so now then, also just before we jump into the charts, as always, quick mentioning of our JFD YouTube channel, which you can always subscribe to in order not to miss any of our upcoming videos, and of course our JFD Bank website and specifically our JFD research page, which we also update on a daily basis. So yep, check us out here on jfdbank.com. And yep, click on the research tab right there on the top. So now then, jumping into the charts, the first one I want to pick up here is Nikkei 225. And oh, by the way, I mean, Evu, yep, sound is not okay. Okay, so can everybody hear me okay? It seems that I'm struggling with my sound, but yeah, thank you very much for that, Evu. And by the way, I can see the GBP USD and the EURUSD requests. Okay. Right, now then, I hope the sound is a little bit better at least, but yeah, hopefully that can, so hopefully we can go further. Anyway, now, okay, is there an issue with the sound as I'm understanding? Okay, can everybody hear me basically? Is there, is everything okay with the sound? We'll just wait a little bit for you to reply, but yeah. Is the sound better now or still the same? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll have to continue, but yeah. Hopefully, maybe my speaker is on. Let me just double check. No, I mean, no, everything's switched off, and yep, all the other speakers are switched off. So it's the same thing here. So yeah, it's the same basically thing that maybe this is going to be better a little bit here. I don't know. I hope. Sounds still bad. Right. Okay. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I cannot do much here. I mean, at the moment, it seems that need to dig into this a little bit more, but yeah, sorry for that. I don't know. I hope, like I said, hope for tomorrow's video I'm gonna be able to fix this a little bit. But again, yeah, sorry for that. And at the moment, like I said, at the moment it's gonna be this way. I'm sorry. Right. Okay. So jumping into Nikkei 225, so basically just a quick update on this one. It's two mics are on. Okay. Interesting. Let me probably restart the video. Maybe I'll see if I can, if something can be done this way. Maybe just bear with me one moment. Okay. Okay, guys. Do apologize, but yeah, I'll have to. Just bear with me one moment. Okay. Okay, so guys, I mean, I think it's not gonna be. I'm not gonna be able to fix it straight away. I think this needs to be kind of looked into. But yeah, apologies for the quality. Yep. So, okay, I mean, hopefully, then maybe this can fix it here. I mean, I'm pressing a few buttons, but let's see if it works out. But anyway, guys, I'll have to continue. So, like I said, I'll try to fix everything going into tomorrow's video. So, long story short, basically, Nikkei 225. I mean, it still remains somewhere in the middle of between these two lines here. The downside one and the upside one. Let me just bear with me one moment, guys. Okay, so I hope maybe this is yeah, working a little bit better, but probably not. So anyway, guys, like I said, I do apologize for the sound. Now jumping into Shanghai, well, actually Nikkei 225 here. Like I said, for now I'm just continuing to observe this one. Yes, it still continues to oscillate somewhere around this. Around the 21-day EMA and the 100-day EMA. For now, it's like I said, it's still kind of. I'm still leaning a little bit more towards the upside here, but only up until this downside line taken from the high of the 14th of September. So if you're looking for some upside, then well, stick if basically the index continues to trade maybe somewhere above this barrier, the one that I talked about previously, this 28,581 zone, then or somewhere around this territory, then another maybe push higher could be possible. So for now, maybe we're just seeing that little temporary correction before another possible leg of buying, so keep that in mind. Shanghai Composite, very quickly on this one. So yep, so far so good. Everything's working according to the plan, and yep, we're seeing a nice good push here higher towards that 3,678 zone. We managed to reach that. So now the next question here is, can we go further above this? I mean, at the moment, I'm keeping a close eye on this barrier because basically we have this strong resistance here, and if we do stay above this barrier, then yes, I will go for the highest point of September. But if somehow this barrier continues to provide resistance and the hold up, maybe a bit of a retracement here back down could be possible towards this upside support line taken from the low of the 10th of November. So keep that in mind. For now, like I said, we're near this hurdle, and if we stay above it, then I'll continue aiming higher. The German index DAX, so yeah, retraced back down a little bit here, drifted lower. Yesterday, if you remember, I talked about this hurdle here, this 15,740 zone, and basically we did get like a bit of a retracement here. So however, we're still above all of the EMAs here on our daily chart, so we're above that 21-day EMA, above that 100-day EMA, and if we, let's say, continue to trade above those, then maybe we could see that a little retracement. However, at the moment I'm gonna take a bit of a careful approach here, and just gonna watch the price action. So in order to be a little bit maybe on the safer side, keep your eyes on yesterday's high near the 15,834 level. So a nice good pop above it would confirm a forthcoming higher high, and my next target is the psychological 16,000 mark. Now jumping into the S&P 500, so here we have a nice move here to the upside. Yesterday we saw the index pushing further north, and you can see that it stayed above this 4,673 territory. I spoke about that level previously. And now we're approaching this key other resistance barrier, this 4,718 zone, which, although it's not the all-time high, but as you can see, the index did push, was held a few times near this barrier. Yes, it did push above it once, and then went on to create an all-time high here near that 4,744 level. So for now, but the first thing here. Okay, so yeah, guys. I mean, I can see, that. Yeah, yeah. Do apologize. Let me see if I can fix something here, guys. Just bear with me one moment. Probably let me restart the video again because it's not really, as you say, Evu. Yep, I can totally understand that. It's a total torture. Right, guys. Like I said, let me restart the video and see what we can do